Okay, so as we have seen the some of the two number program and some obviously basic understanding, not full understanding of a scanner class and import things, all that. So I will be just creating another file, what I will name as a circle, right? This is a public class circle, and in this also we have to import java dot util dot star, right? I will be importing all the packages. In previous video we just imported scanner class, but in this video, not video, in this program, because I will be recording I'm recording in part small chunks, so I just referred as a video. Okay, fine. And public class circle, because we will be demonstrating area of a circle program, the program to find the area of circle in this program. So I'll just comment here and write the area equal to 3.14, which is pi, right? 3.14 into r. This is the formula for the calculating area of the circle, right? 3.14, which is pi r square. So we just can't write r raised to 2, we have to multiply separately, right? So this is the area formula. And public static void main, this is the shortcut. And like we'll be using system. The main thing we want from the user is enter the value of radius, right? dious. Okay, so before this system.out.println, we have to uh, float, or okay, we will use here double radius, 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 not o, yeah, radius, right? So double radius and the value of double radius will basically store the value of radius in what I can say, in floating point number. And floating point number are 3.1452, like any like that. 3.14 is there, 2.36, any random, damn random value with point. So that's why it is radius, right? Double radius. So we have declared the variable. We have also told user that please enter the value of radius. But how user will going to enter? So for that we have to make use of scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Oh my god, so much spelling mistake. Scanner system dot in, right? My god, I am recording first time and this all is happening. It is not good sign, I guess so. Okay, so we using radius is equal to sc dot. So here it comes, right? We will be not using next int as we have used in sum. We will be not using next int. We will be using next double. Why? Because our the data type of the radius is double, means the user will enter the what we can say value of radius in double. For like we are on the safer side, right? User may enter in integer number, user don't want to enter in floating point number, then user, it is also like we are on safer side, right? All I want to say is user can enter in integer value and also in float value, so we'll be using next double, right? And for also we have to take one more variable, like what we will take as area. The area variable will store the final value of the area with according to radius provided by the user. So we'll just 3.142 dot r, not dot, okay, star r, right? This is the formula, and cannot resolve symbol, obviously we not I just wrote the formula from here only. So it is just a radius, and this is also radius, right? So radius into radius 3.14, this radius value will be provided by the user, right? And there is nothing now, I guess, so we'll just print area of circle is what we have to concatenate here, plus the value stored in area, right? So the program is ready, I guess. So we'll be just executing run circle.main and enter the value of radius. For example, I enter 5.12, and the area of circle is 82.366565444. Okay, we'll just confirm it by calculator. So I'll just open calculator, and will be perform here just it is right or not, like 5.12 into what, into, no, why we are, okay, 5.12 star 5.12, we just multiplied radius equal to 2.2144, and this multiply by value of pi 3.142, right? So I guess, not I guess, I am fixed the 82.365, and here also it is 82.365, so our program is correct. So this was the basic program, like circle. The main motive, my motive was to introduce some scanner class, and how we can use the scanner class. First we have to make object, and then reference for from where we will be taking input, and then you have to assign that scanner to the to your variable for which you want to receive the value from the user, radius, right? In our case it is radius. So this program is all about circle, calculating area of the circle, right?